In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro for personal project management. Start by opening your Miro board. If you are starting from a blank board, that is perfectly fine. The goal is to create a simple visual workflow that you can update in seconds as you work through your tasks. Next, go to the sidebar and click the Shapes icon. From the Shapes menu, select the Rectangle tool. You are going to use rectangles to form a basic Kanban layout, which is a common project management view that makes it easy to see what is coming up, what you are actively working on, and what you have completed. Now draw 3 large vertical columns side by side across your board. Make them wide enough so you can add multiple sticky notes in each one without it feeling cramped. Try to leave a little space between columns so they are visually separated and easy to read at a glance. Once your 3 columns are in place, click into the top of the first column and type To Do. Then click into the top of the second column and type In Progress. Finally, click into the top of the third column and type Done. These headings will act like lanes for your tasks, and you will move items from left to right as work moves forward. Now return to the sidebar and click the sticky note icon. Select a color you like, then click inside the To-Do column to place your first note. Type your first project task directly on the sticky note. Keep the wording short and specific so you can understand it quickly later, even when you are scanning the board. After that, use the sticky note toolbar and click the tag icon. Type a priority level, such as High, then press Enter. Tags help you spot urgent items faster, especially as your board grows and you have many tasks. When you begin working on that task, drag the sticky note from To Do into the In Progress column. This simple move helps you stay focused on what is active right now. Once the task is completed, drag the same note into the Done column. Over time, your Done column becomes a quick record of progress, which can be motivating and useful when you review what you have accomplished. And that covers everything you need to know.